MONTCO Connect permits several means by which a user can control the access others have to their information on the system. The account privacy settings can be found under the User Options, Account Settings, Privacy tab. There are 6 total settings that control account access and privacy. The first option relates to who can view your group membership. If you have become a member of a group, for instance, this setting controls who can view the fact that you are now a member of a MONTCO Connect group used by the club. Selecting Connections limits this access to only those with whom you have established a connection. Selecting Yourself simply denies this access to everyone. By default, all users are searchable within the MONTCO Connect system. Users can be searched by name or other information that may have been added to a user profile. To suppress your account from being identified through search, select Yourself. Access to profile information is available to everyone by default. To restrict this access, select either Connections to limit access to those with whom you may have made a connection, or Yourself to deny access to the profile by all users. It is possible for others to see who you have established connections within the MONTCO Connect system. To disable this access, select Yourself. It is possible to send direct messages to other MONTCO Connect users. Sending direct messages will be covered in a separate introductory video. To limit who can send messages to you, select either Connections or Nobody. It is possible for other users to determine if you are actively logged into MONTCO Connect. This access is set to Nobody by default. To allow others to see this status, select either Everyone or Connections.